Hey everybody, this is just a real quick video in case you have an AOSmith water heater and it's giving you an E03 error, and you are trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to fix it. So basically the E03 error is that it's just telling you that the upper thermistor in the water heater is faulty. So all you really need to do to fix this is, first of all, you're going to have to turn your unit off. And once your unit is off, you can remove the upper thermistor, and then you're just going to need to to buy a new thermistor, and because it's gonna need to be replaced in order for this to work. Once you have replaced the thermistor, it should be as simple as turning your water heater back on, and this error should be gone, and the water heater should be functioning normally again. So anyways, I hope this video helped figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.